The Q8 Travel is a powerful LED Fresnel with unparalleled optical performance. The Q8 features a custom 8-inch Fresnel lens, which is the result of Fiilex's painstaking iterative design process. These custom optics give the fixture an extremely wide flood focus range of 60 degrees down to 12. The Fresnel operates telescopically, extending outward from the light source to narrow the Q8's beam. The extension is enclosed in a durable fabric bellows, constructed with hydrophobic jacket material. And the entire fixture is water resistant. Let's take a minute to highlight the Q8's beam performance. On the right is a typical Fresnel, and on the left is the Q8. Both of these beam angles are rated 12 degrees on paper. Notice how the Q8 has a flatter, more even intensity curve inside the 12-degree spot, as well as a smooth yet tight fall-off. The high-end design extends to the Q8's internal components as well. Our custom dense matrix LED array can smoothly dim down to 0% without flickering or color shifting, which is very uncommon for a compact LED source. In addition to dimming, the Q8 features tunable color temperature and magenta green hue. These settings can be adjusted directly with the control knobs. In this case, we're using a wireless DMX antenna for remote operation. The light from the compact dense matrix source also cuts very cleanly with no color fringing, especially in the wider angle beam range. The Q8 Travel accepts 48-volt XLR input from the included power supply or 48-volt battery power. The Q8 is available as an individual fixture or in various kit arrangements, with room to pack accessories such as its gel holder or speed ring. With the Q8 Travel, Fiilex is redefining what's possible with LED Fresnels. Stop by Fiilex.com to learn more.